Back in Jersey. All right. New York is fun, but it feels good to be back in Jersey. Almost feels like New York, really, when you come here, when you get here. All right, yeah. Back in New Jersey. So I'm gonna take a picture with my phone. Yeah, we're in Jersey City right now, Exchange Place. This is where the party at over here. Good times in Jersey. Wow, there's some serious waves going on. Is that from the ferry? Like, why is the wave so high? Some serious waves going on. Okay, so little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera. His battery's a little low, but let's see how long he can go. Should be okay, but we'll see. Gotta watch here. You can't drop anything down here because there is planks. You know, this looks kind of cool, but then you look, these are planks, like a boardwalk. But not like a Jersey Shore boardwalk. These are like planks where you can really drop something. But let's go over here and check out the skyline. New York City, Manhattan. Good times, people having fun today. Nice weather. The weather is amazing. New York City. That building always intrigues me. It looks like a Jenga, like that game, Jenga. Walking around New York City before, I was looking at it like, wow, this is so interesting. So you got the Empire, Midtown, World Trade, Lower Manhattan right there. It's just wild. I can see this like from my house. That's wild. And I'm like in the middle of here and the Jersey Shore, basically, which is super cool because I'm right in the middle of everything, kind of. It's kind of cool, but you still got to travel to get to both. Jersey City is nice. Jersey City, Hoboken. Honestly, I would like to live here or Hoboken if I had a North Jersey home. I always hear Hoboken is the best city. Maybe it is, but this ain't so bad either. And Hoboken is right there. So yeah, it looks so nice. Looks so nice out here right now. And we have a ferry right there. That's so cool, that ferry. I've taken that ferry. It's nice. I don't know if it was that exact ferry, but you know what I'm saying. It looks like it's going to Hoboken, which it goes to Hoboken, then it goes to Manhattan. Sometimes it goes straight to Manhattan. Back this way, I think it comes straight here, then Hoboken. You see, it comes this way. But yeah, Jersey and Manhattan, we're talking about a mile maybe. Like literally, if you could walk, it's so close. If you could walk. Like so close. Like running, you'd get there in like 5 minutes maybe. But yeah, you can't, of course. You got to take a boat or a train or something. But it's so close. If you could, if it was land, I'm saying if it was land. But it's not land, of course. Yeah, it's so nice here. Super, super nice here. Absolutely awesome. Good times, good times. Good times. Jersey City, Jersey City. Rocking out, rocking out. Jersey City, New York City. May 2026 in the his house. What's up, Jersey City in the his house? It's 7:43 p.m. right now. And the weather is 81 degrees, yeah. 81 degrees. And we're here in Jersey City. Gonna walk around here a little bit. The weather's amazing. Everybody's having a great time. All right, let's go, let's go. So the New York City looks great. Everybody's taking pictures here. I'm gonna wait a minute. Everybody's rocking the pictures. Okay, I think we can go now. What's up, buddy? All good, man, all good. I'm a YouTuber, all good. So yeah, check it out right there. Sunset time, golden hour, Manhattan, World Trade Center right there, Empire State, literally about a mile away from New Jersey. That's why I gave it the name Jersey Island. To me, it's like Jersey, but it's New York, of course, but it's so close. It's New Jersey and Manhattan are very close together, so it's the party spot in New Jersey. That's my take. My analogy. Jersey Island, yeah. Good times. We just went to Chinatown, Canal Street, Broadway, walked around World Trade. Such a great day today. So peaceful here in Jersey City right now. Yeah, I've said it before. It's just wild. I can see that from my house, the World Trade. You can see it very far in New Jersey, the World Trade, that building. It's so big compared to everything else. in New York. I mean, I don't know if there's anything bigger, but it's definitely ginormous. A ginormous building, of course. Super wild. And you have the Empire, Midtown.